Okay guys, I'm back. Today I'm going to show you the ingredients for the best hot grill Reuben / pastrami sandwich. So that's what I'm going to do. I have Swiss cheese. These 4 slices, so I'm going to be making 2 sandwiches of those today. Here's the beef steak. This is my beef steak. This is like a soft rye. And it's seeds. It said no seeds on that. Alright, here's some onions that we're going to be grilling up. I have some Dijon mustard right here. And I have some sauerkraut right here. And here are those potatoes that we're going to go ahead and get started with. Because this stuff going to come together pretty quick. So stay with me. I'll be back. Well guys, this is pretty simple. All we're going to do is slice these in halves. And all we're going to do is just go just like that. Alright, put it back in the bowl. Wash your potatoes off. Alright. I like to do the end parts first. And keep in mind, it's going to be my first time making some air fried french fries. Alright? Never made it before. Like I said, we're going to be doing a lot of stuff that we haven't did before. So if you guys have made it before, tell me how yours turned out. I'll try to save some of all of my stuff. And all I'm going to be adding on this stuff, I have some black pepper and some ranch seasoning. Put the salt on later, okay? This is by Hidden Valley. Matter of fact, I did all that right here. Gotta wash the board off anyway, right? You just want to coat that nice and even, like that. We're going to see how these bad boys taste. I'm quite sure it's going to taste good. So we just give them a good toss. Like this. Throw them in this pot right here. That's what we got. We're going to go ahead and put that in the air fryer. And then I'll be seeing you guys over there in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm going to go ahead and put some butter on this grill. If you guys new here, consider subscribing to the channel. Putting up 3 recipes a week. So I'm spreading it out evenly like this for a reason, because I'm going to be dangling them onions all over here. Okay? We need some more butter, we'll put some more on there. So here's real onions right here. You can turn it upside down. So we'll be all day doing that. Okay? So yeah, I just want to coat this all over. So remember, we're going to put our bread on here too. So spread it out. Let it get. I'm just going to get mine maybe golden brown or translucent or whatever. Then I'm going to take them off. This seasoning up this right here, pretty much, so my bread can have some on it. So when those start turning brown, I'll let you know. I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. Starting to break down a little bit more. So while I'm working with this, I will go here, just turn these over here, because this side cooks faster. We're about almost ready with these. That's how you want it. Now the grill is seasoned. Now what you can do is take these, push them back this way. Let's just turn those down on simmer. This is enough for like 2 or 3 sandwiches. Turn this down a little bit. Now I'm gonna try to get this on sour. Hold on, I'll be back in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I finally got it open. Oh my goodness, it took forever. You just want to take some of the sauerkraut, place it over this way. That should be plenty of sauerkraut. We just want to heat that up, okay? Man, this one is tough getting open. Almost tore my arm up. I'm like, they seal that like super tight. That ain't bad. So we're gonna take our meat and put it over here. Okay? If you guys got GFS, go get it. We're gonna make this from scratch one day too. So don't worry about that. Alright. I'm just gonna let that cook up. And I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you these fries. Alright, hold on. Okay guys, those are the fries right there. They look crispy. They ain't bad, don't taste bad at all. See a bite of that. I don't say it's too bad. So, I'm gonna go ahead and start working on them REUBEN sandwiches, REUBEN slash pastrami sandwich. And I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. Just gonna go ahead and get started with our bread. I'm not toasting the bread today. Alright. Now for me, I don't just grab the first bread. I go reaching. I like to reach in like so. See how that looks a big difference from that one? This is how I do things. Alright. Alright, we got our bread. Our meat doing what it's doing. We're going to take us some Dijon mustard. Now if you want to use the other mustard, just the prepared mustard, you can. Just like so. I know it looks retarded. Matter of fact, I could just do, for it won't look retarded, do it like this, huh? Do it just like that. Just like that. Okay guys, can you see that? Then we'll go get our onions. Some onions on the bad boys. Spread them out. If you don't want to use onions, you don't have to. And them onions, by them being on the grill, they would melt that cheese. Then we'll grab our sauerkraut. Take us some sauerkraut. Just like that. You can take you some Thousand Island. Just drizzle a little bit on there, not a lot. Okay. This is a Aldi, not Aldi, but Kroger's. This ain't even Kroger. This is Walmart brand. But I rarely go to Kroger's. All right, we're gonna take our meat. We're gonna sit them bad boy on there like that. Our pastrami. Reason why I named it pastramis or REUBEN / pastrami because it's a corned beef. All they did was wash it off and recooked it. Well, not recooked it, just wash all that cure stuff off. I think that's it, boss. I think that's it. Put your top on there, on your bottom on there. There you guys have it, right there. See if I can zoom in on that for you guys. You'll see the thumbnail, I'm quite sure of it. But that's it right there, y'all. And guys, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Where VEL will be making restaurant quality foods or better. From my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking.